normal. Huh? Okay, here we go. She was running at 15. I ran it for about 17 minutes, so now we're going to go ahead and let her cool. And we will wait and see for results here. Just don't like that back to thermostat. Don't think it was opening. I got full pressure, but that may not mean anything. So we'll go from there. I verified, well, I believe 1 through 3. 1 through 3, I can't remember my cylinder firing over here. Six, 4. That's 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6 were firing. So I got something going on between 1, 2, and 3. One of those cylinders is not firing, which means that's where the fluid, the coolant is going, is into those cylinders, or in one of those cylinders anyway. So there we go. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for 30 minutes to an hour for it to cool down, and then we'll go ahead and start it back up and see what we got. I went ahead and I pulled the air cleaner, and I went ahead and checked the plugs, and you can see the green on the top of the electrode here. So it's number 1 cylinder that is getting the fluid. So right now I don't know if that cylinder might have fluid in it right now. I can pull the plug, pull the coil, and I can crank it through and see if I got fluid that pisses out of there. And then roll this back in there, and then because she's running really rough because she's lost the pressure in that cylinder. So there's our culprit. It's cylinder number 1. I checked the other 2, and they're black, or they're gray burn. There's no green tint whatsoever. You can definitely see the green tint. Continuation. Motor should be pretty cool now because we've let it set for about an hour or 2. Still warm, somewhat warm. So overall coolants. Motor's warm, coolants where it is. Still got pressure. Good thing. Gonna go ahead and start it up. You say run it at around 1200 RPMs for What's it say? About 15, 20 minutes. Oh man, I'm on my phone. Dude, I need my timer. Okay, second revenue. Okay. 30 minutes. Start it off. And then once it runs, run at high RPM for about 1300 RPM for about 15 minutes or so. So, hold on, gotta get my timer. Well, I don't know, I got the timer. Yeah, this one's got the timer inside it anyway, so, the clock. Okay. So we'll sit here and do that. Let's see if we have a lockup this time. Turn the key on. Okay, temperature gauge going back down. Okay, now as you know earlier, we had the it locked up. So I pulled the plug, and I guess it's number 1 cylinder that's got the issue. So here we go. Hopefully she's not gonna lock up. Okay, here we go. Running a little rough. Actually smoothed out right off the bat. That's a good sign. That's even better. Really? That's even a better sign. I don't know if it wouldn't be a bad idea to freaking put that stuff in racing motors. Look at that motor. Look how smooth that is right now. See how smooth that is? Look at that. Well, I don't. It's getting a little bit of something right now. Let's get this running to 1500 RPM or 1200 RPM, like it said, and get running for about 15 minutes. But that was a good. Motor is smooth. I'm impressed. So I'm impressed. Let's get the engine up to a high RPM. Higher RPM here. Gonna be hard. Keep it running. Keep it running to that RPM. I think I could put it. I think I can get something to put in on that thing to keep it steady. Okay, it is. We're looking at it 9. Looking at it at 9:20. It's 9:21. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna put something. I gotta see what I can do. It's hard keeping my foot. 12. It's running about 1200 RPM already. See if I can get something. What can I put on that? Smoke. It's still blowing.